Yeah, let's get this day started. Next. Out. Bathroom privileges.
Yeah.
Come on, let's roll, chick.
Hold on.
Good morning, guys. Welcome to the vlog. My name is Scott, and today is a big day for me. Today we are off to get the containers for the new house. I am so excited. It is early. It's about 6:30 in the morning. Just starting to get daylight. As you can see, it's really dark out there. I am so excited to get this day started. I cannot wait. So let's get right to it. Now, like I said, I couldn't be more excited about go getting these containers, but today is a very crappy day as far as weather conditions. It is supposed to rain all day, and trying to get everything rigged up. Gotta stop and get some straps. sketchy, dude. Yard again. We're on for our third haul. Woo, go UPS. Got her loaded. This one only took a little bit to get loaded. We ain't been here but 5 minutes. It's starting to rain. We got it hooked. So we're ready. Talking to the camera. I'm ready. Let's roll. Man, that's why they all shoot. I got this window here.
That's good.
Just getting some film shots. Anyway, guys, we got the shipping containers. Some of the containers over here, we get 2 out of the 13 that are going to come. And we got the dozer over here on the side of the road now. It's doing its work. They are very heavy. And it's very soft over here. I could tell you that. Ground is right here. Oh, man. Dozer just wanted to sink in and do some nasty out here.
It's so good in this environment right now. It stays in one spot. Watch. Still there. Look at the cloud.
It's crazy.
Like, so dense.
So anyway, trying to get a couple of these open. Pull on that one, maybe.
Which one? This one.
That one right there. You're locking. Yeah.
Long, but maybe sad. Like that's what your nose. Both like that.
Yeah, it's awful dark in here. As you guys can see.
Yeah, it's not bad.
It's got a
It's
little
about close to a single trailer home.
Yeah. Imagine 3 of these together as your house.
So if you guys are recording, for a single trailer home, I don't know if it's live here, but basically the door be here, you know, kitchen be here. I mean, you can make one home out of this if you guys wanted to.
Yeah, that's for sure.
If you really wanted to, you could have your bedroom back there, maybe a bathroom back there too, your kitchen up here, your living room right here, and you'd be still living pretty comfortable because it's all tax-free. And this will last you for a lifetime. 4 on this one. Looks like a welded right there.
Yeah.
And put some caulking in it.
Done some work on it. Don't get me wrong, it's not perfect, but there'll be a you know,
So
a
like,
roof in here when I'm done.
what would be really cool is just cut this out. Add 2 of those bitches on.
Yeah. Just think, this is one of 13. 13.
Same size as the other one.
Yeah.
Very nice.
Yep.
Definitely
Yeah.
live in her.
It's gonna be big.
My house would be over big as that.
Road somewhere through there, through that creek, and back up there. Somewhere back up in there. I know it's gonna be. We got a long road to go. But we're just getting them in the containers up here. We're gonna line this road down through here with 13 shipping containers. And that's for the base lower part of the house. I think there's 2 50 or 40 5-footers.
All right, you guys see the house behind us, and you guys think these people used to live in this house and have a family in it. We may be like a 4 family, like this is a family of 4, and people will live in that comfortably, you know?
Yeah.
That has a big kitchen in it.
Then you turn around and look how big that is.
Take 2 of those and makes up
2 of that is bigger than that. So I got 13 of these things coming. It is going to be a very large
I think
home.
my apartment would be big as that.
Alright guys, I hope you guys enjoyed our day. We had a great day, and I hope you guys enjoyed our video. Like I said, we still got a lot more content to come. We still got 10 more containers to haul in, and hopefully it's probably going to take us a week or 2 to get everything in there, but April is a very soggy month, and no telling when this stuff is going to dry up. I still got to cut a road up the hill and cut off the plateau on top of it and get everything cleaned up before I can drag everything up. there's a creek in my way, and I just don't want to get the dozer down in there and get the thing stuck. You know, I don't need any of those complications right now, but if you guys continue watching the video, you're going to see more of this shipping container build and lots of new content. We've got some exciting new things coming. So for now, get out there, design, and enjoy life till the next time. See you later.